Hey everyone, this is Shannie from Baker Creek, and today I want to show off my basil bouquet. I have a beautiful bouquet of basil here, and I just want to show you some of the varieties and what I'd like to do with them. Okay, so let's start off with the beautiful purple. This is dark purple opal basil. This is highly ornamental, but it's not all just good looks. It actually tastes just like a delicious Italian Genovese type, so you can make pesto out of it. But look at those beautiful flowers, the beautiful colors, really super dramatic. Heat tolerant plant, grows great in the garden. One of my favorite companion plants, especially if you like edible ornamentals. Top choice. Thai holy basil. Smells phenomenal. It's got an incredible aroma to it. I like to put this one in a cold glass of water, very refreshing. They say it's an adaptogen. It's got these beautiful flower spikes, which I don't like to take off because I think they're just so pretty. That one I grow for fragrance, and I grow to put in my glass of water or to make a cool cup of tea. Then we've got the gorgeous lettuce leaf basil. Look at the size of those leaves. The leaves actually get a lot bigger than this. We could even wrap little sandwiches in the lettuce leaf basil. And lettuce leaf basil tastes just like a Genovese type Italian pesto basil. It's got 1,000,001 uses. You could use it in Thai stir fry. You can use it in pesto. You could use it in marinara sauce. I just love the size. I also find this is a really super healthy plant for me. It's been growing really well here in the super deep south, dealing with just an incredible amount of heat and humidity. Thai sweet basil. This is Jared Gettel's favorite basil, I'm pretty sure. He just loves this stuff, and I do too. Tastes like licorice, smells like licorice. It's excellent in stir fries. Put it in spring rolls. You can make it into tea. You can put it in your ice water. So many different uses. It's highly aromatic in the garden. This is our classic Genovese basil. So this is the top choice for making pesto. There's also a variety called Emily that's great for making pesto. So this is your classic pesto or basil marinara basil called Genovese from Italy. And then we've got the cardinal basil, which is another gorgeous edible ornamental. This one, it's got that sort of Thai basil feel to it. It's got the same smell. The leaves are large. It's a beautiful variety. I love it. So there you have the bouquet of basil, and I hope that you plant your garden full of basil. It's going to attract beneficial insects. It's going to bring this beautiful sweet aroma to your garden, and most importantly, you're going to be able to eat it because it's delicious.